In this video, I will share with you one of my Kaofu, meaning uncle in Chinese, or Cantonese, I should say. It's Chinese New Year recipe. Baked lingo, also known as baked New Year sticky rice cake, or baked glutinous rice cake. Let me know at the comment below what your favorite Chinese New Year food is, and how do you celebrate Chinese New Year? Edition of Magician in the Kitchen. My name is Aslan and I'm a professional magician and illusionist who loves to cook. I'll be posting cooking videos, kitchen tips, and a lot more, so stay tuned. I want you to inspire your family and friends with homemade dishes prepared with simple ingredients. All of my recipes are tried and tested and they are part of my family staple dishes. I'm going to guide you to make your special meals that will make you the magician in your very own kitchen. All of these are easy to follow as I would guide you step by step to create delicious meals at home. Subscribe now and let the magic begin. Let's start with ingredients. For baked lingo, we need 4 eggs, 4 ounces of butter, 2 cups of homo milk, 2 cups of golden yellow sugar, 454 grams of glutinous rice flour. We need 1 cat or 400 ml of coconut milk and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. First thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we are going to weigh the glutinous rice flour. Then we are going to sift the glutinous rice flour with the baking powder together. You want to crack your eggs into a bowl. We are going to mix the eggs, butter, milk, coconut milk, and sugar together. You want to pour your ingredients together and mix well. Mix until it is smooth. Take some vegetable oil and you want to grease your baking pan with it. Then you want to pour the batter into a baking pan of your choice and bake it for an hour. Remove from oven and let it cool. After it cools off, you can cut it into slices, and that's your glutinous rice cake. Abracadabra! Here's the easy baked lingo. Look how beautiful it is. I think now it's time to cut it and taste it. You just want to cut the outside around, all the way around. It smells so good. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at this. Crunchy, crusty on top, super soft in that middle. Oh, it looks so good. Look at this. Jiko, jiko. Let's try this. It's so good. It's soft, it's crunchy. Oh my goodness, look at this. Don't want to dirty all that. Yeah, try out this recipe. Simply delicious. You can probably hear it. It's kind of crunchy with the crust. Can't believe that this is just one batter because it kind of tastes like there's actually layers of different things on them. Ninh ninh câu sinh, Sam xuân si sinh, and Long ma ching sun san tai kin hong. Gong hei, gong hei. Do I sound like a CBC? Because I am. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that alarm button so you get notification when a new video gets uploaded. If you got any questions, please post it at the comments section below and I will do my best to reply. Until the next episode of Magician in the Kitchen, have a magical day.